Oh my goodness, look at that. Did you see that? So cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is way cool and a way cool color. So this is the product that we're going to be using today. It is Rust-Oleum Outdoor Fabric Paint. It literally shows chairs just like mine. And we are going to see what we can do. It says ultimate UV resistance, long-lasting color, and it will still feel soft. Sounds crazy. Over here are the instructions, and it basically just tells you to make sure you're in a ventilated area and make sure you shake your can really good. Hold it a little bit away and do nice even strokes with just a tiny bit of overlapping, it says, and then to wait 30 minutes in between each additional application. It says if you do it too quickly, then it can lose some of that soft material texture. So we got this cute little patio set to go outdoors, and unfortunately the majority of the sets that I liked had white cushions, and that really worried me because they're outdoors and we have kids and we have dogs, so I knew that they were going to get dingy. I did try last summer when we first got it to dye the cushions with some RIT dye that you can buy at the store, but it did nothing. When I pulled the cushions out, they were pure white still. And so we are now into our second summer with them, and they are pretty dingy. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put our cushions over in the grass and we're gonna paint. Let's check it out. So on the can, it says to make sure that the cushions are free from any kind of debris. I just wiped them off with my hand. I'm gonna go for it. We'll see what happens. It even says that you can wash and dry them first, but we're gonna see what happens. Here we go. Shake, shake, shake. I'm doing it over in this side of the yard because our grass needs mowed over here. So I figure it won't be so bad if it turns out a little turquoisey. I only bought one can because I only have these 3 cushions to do. Not sure if it's gonna be enough or not, but we will see. So like I said, hold it 6 to 8 inches from the cushion and back and forth motions. Oh my goodness, look at that. Did you see that? So cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is way cool and a way cool color. I'm loving this. Get the edges. Oh, I'm definitely gonna have enough paint because this is so cool. Get up there. How cool is this? I can't believe I'm spray painting my cushions. Uh-oh. We are running into some trouble. Look what's happening. Uh-oh, my can is not a happy can. I'll try wiping off in the grass a little. There we go. That did help. The top little guy got a little clogged and I kind of wiped it off in the grass. And we're doing it again. Rustoleum, not cool that your lid keeps getting clogged on me. All right, we're having some trouble. But so far, you can still see it's not a perfect application yet, that I'll want to add another application. This is not going smoothly at all. Okay. See it? Just bubbling. It's not happy. All right, I'm gonna get a wet paper towel and see if that helps. Hold on. Okay, so I got a wet paper towel. We're gonna see if this helps. Just to keep us from getting, yep, there we go. Oh, but it's already instantly clogged. Look at that. It lets you have one quick spray before it gets clogged. I'm not sure if this is just mine. I feel like I want to, because this was expensive. $15 for this can. And if it would do what it started doing, this would be a fantastic, oh, there we go, look, happy. My nozzle is not my friend today. Give it a good shake again. Okay, I've used spray paint many times. I've never had to shake it quite to the extent that I'm having to shake this. So my tips so far are be ready to really shake constantly and have a wet paper towel handy just in case. See, I just cleaned it and it's already stuck again. Ben even came over to help me shake because my arms were getting tired. Unfortunately, after shaking and spraying, we had an issue with the nozzle. the little part that you push actually broke and fell off. Darn it. I am very impressed with the feel. It is incredible how it still feels like fabric instead of like you would assume what it would feel like if you spray painted it. So we will finish up this project after we go to the store and get a new can. So it took me a few days to get back to the store to buy a new can of the Rust-Oleum fabric outdoor paint. And so I put my cushions back into place. Here's my little set. And every time I'd walk by, I'd be like, oh, it's so boring, so bland. Oh, it's beautiful. Even though these aren't done yet, you can still see a couple spots that need done. But man, this pop of color, it looks so good here, right? Okay, so I got my new can. Let's see how this one does. This cushion here even has a little dirty spot on it, and this one has a few. So I'm curious to see if this will cover up those dirty spots as well. Here we go. Okay, this one seems to be spraying correctly. Get the edges a little bit. This is cool because it seems to be going on so much smoother than other spray paint. Spray paint tells you that you have to go in straight lines and not let it, you know, bunch up on your, whatever you're spray painting wood or whatever. But this seems to be doing pretty well, except here we are again. It's not working. What's going on? Nope, nothing. Look at this. I have definitely done exactly what the directions said, and I'm stuck yet again. And I already did that, but let's give it another shake and see what we can do. Shake, 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 Sonora.
Shake, 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 Sonora, shake your body liner. Shake.
Here we go. Shaking it up. Let's try again. Here we go. Nothing. It won't even push. Oh, wait, here we go. Something's happening. Yay, we're spraying again. Okay, you really apparently have to shake so much that your arm hurts. Okay. Trying to make sure that I get in all the seams. Like right here on the side, see how you gotta kind of get at a different angle to make sure the paint gets down in the seams okay. Let's get this side. It's already stopping spraying. Oh my word, this is such a workout. Yep, we're done spraying for a bit again. Okay, time to shake again. What I do like is the top is very, very comfortable for my finger. No issues there. I see a couple spots that need a little bit more, but what I did notice is that the dirt spots seem to be gone. How cool is that? So not only are we getting a fun new color, but we are reviving these to like look like they're brand new, like we just bought them. So that's cool. Let's keep going. Okay, switching hands. I am so tired. My arm is killing me. I'm a wimp, but I'm gonna keep shaking. Here we go, left hand. A little more awkward. Let's try again. You can hear it in my voice, how tired I am. Oh, we're getting some good sprays. Okay guys, so I am calling it. I have shook and shook and shook and shook and sprayed as much out as I can. You can definitely see that they're ever so slightly splotchy and they definitely should have another coat. I didn't even get to the back of this one. I just left it because I was done. So these both got both sides, so they can be flipped if needed. But again, they're just a little bit splotchy, but you know what? I don't mind that they look like that. I'm fine with it. So here is my take on this product. Do I love it right now? Yes, I love it. I love the color. It still feels soft. I think it really like brightens up this area and gives us some color. I think it's great. Would I ever buy this product again? Probably not, guys. I'm sorry. It was really rough to deal with. And I bought the can from Walmart, which was about $16, and I bought 2 of them. So I looked into some other options, and I think that purchasing new cushions would have been the way to go. So I found this outdoor patio cushion set on Amazon, and it would fit perfectly with the set that I have at home. Look at all the different colors it comes in, and it looks really comfortable and nice. And I was impressed because it's only $90. Not too bad. I also found the Rustoleum fabric spray paint on Amazon for cheaper than what I paid at Walmart. It's only $12. So if you want to look into that, I'll put the link down below. So there you go, guys. That's my long review. Thanks for watching. I love that it's done, but I don't think that I would buy this product again. It was very frustrating to deal with, but good luck if you guys want to try it out. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.
Ooh.